Our next topic is CD. Full form is compact disc. CD DVD use light from a laser, hence known as optical disc. It uses light from a laser, and that is why it is called optical disc. This is your CD. Okay, students. It is an optical storage device for storing data. The CD DVD is run on a CD DVD player with a CD-ROM DVD-ROM drive. To run this CD, you have to use a CD-ROM drive or DVD-ROM drive or CD DVD player. Okay. CDs and DVDs are used to store music, data or computer software. So you can store music, data or computer software in CD. The total amount of digital data that is stored on a CD is 700 MB. So students, the capacity of CD is 700 MB. So you can store only 700 MB data on CD disk. Okay. CD-ROMs are usually of two types. There are two types of CD-ROMs. First is CDR. Is compact disc recordable. Data on this disk can be written once. The data from the disk cannot be erased, and no new data can be written on the disk. So in CDR, the data stored once cannot be erased. Okay. You cannot erase the stored data to store new data. Next is CDRW. Is a compact disc rewritable. The data written on the disk can also be erased, and new data can also be written on the disk. So in CDRW, you can erase the old data to store the new data. It is rewritable, while CDR is not rewritable. Next, digital versatile disk or DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. DVD looks similar to CD-ROM but stores more data. So students, it looks similar to CD-ROM, but it has capacity higher than CD disk or CD-ROMs. DVD stores between 4.7 GB and 17 GB. The capacity of DVD is from between 4.7 GB to 17 GB. The storage capacity of DVD is 7 times more than a CD. It has 7 times capacity higher than that of a CD. Okay. Because its storage capacity is large. DVD drives are required to read DVDs, which looks similar to CD-ROM drives. To read DVDs, you need a DVD drives, which looks similar to CD-ROM drives. DVD are of two types. There are two types of DVD, DVD-R and DVD-RW. DVD-R is a digital versatile disk. The data can be written only once. It is similar to CDR. In this also you cannot delete the stored data. Okay, it is not rewritable, it is recordable. Next, DVD-RW stands for digital versatile disk rewritable. The data can be written many times, so you can delete the old data to store the new one. DVD is used to store movies as it can store a full length movie and produce better quality pictures. It has large capacity to store data, so you can store full length movie also in these discs. Okay, and it will produce better quality pictures. Blu-ray, the current optical technologies such as CD DVD rely on red laser to read and write data. So students, CD and DVD uses red laser to read and write data, while the new format uses a blue violet laser instead. And this Blu-ray uses blue violet laser to read and write data. The benefit of using a blue violet laser is that it has a shorter wavelength than red laser, and the importance of this Blu-ray is that it uses shorter, it has shorter wavelength. And because of which it can store more data on the disk, even though it has the same size as CD or DVD. It can store more than 5 times the storage capacity of traditional DVDs. Okay, it has 5 times more capacity than that of a traditional DVD. It is capable of storing high definition video resolution. Okay, it will give you high quality definition video resolution. Its storage capacity can range from 25 GB to 50 GB. The storage capacity of these Blu-ray discs are from 25 GB to 50 GB. Next, pen drive or flash drive. It is also called USB, Universal Serial Bus Flash Drive. It helps you transfer your data. So it is used for transferring data. Its storage capacity can range from 1 GB to 1 TB. It is a small, lightweight and rewritable storage device. So pen drives are of small size and these are lightweight also. You can store data again and again on the same pen drive because it is rewritable. You can delete the old data and can store the new data also. It is resistant from scratches and dust. Next, memory stick. It is a removable flash memory card. it is a type of memory card which you can remove also. It is available in the range of 4 MB to 256 GB. The capacity of these memory sticks are from 4 MB to 256 GB. In cameras, memory stick is used to store image files, and in cameras these memory sticks are used to store image files, while in computers it is inserted in USB ports. So in computers you can insert it in USB port of the computer to view the contents of this memory sticks. So our second chapter is also finished. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.